Hey guys, my 21K mini flap has arrived. Should we take a look at it? Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. After shortly waiting and walking you guys through the collection, I have made my selection from 21K collection and one of the pieces has arrived. So today we're going to be taking a look at this beauty, which is one of Chanel's newest and most talked about mini flap bags with the iridescent caviar. I wanted to show you guys the new feature and how many things really fits in there. I would also like to include a footage of try-on shots so you can take a look and see how big this bag looks on. My first impression is it's really beautiful. With the iridescent sheen, it just really elevates the look of the bag. And the size, can we talk about it? I know a lot of us have already read articles from purse blogs. The brand new size is really a plus and a really good feature. So without further ado, let's dig in and take a look at all of the things that I wanted to share with you guys on this new piece. My first impression is that this is not the size that I'm used to. If you've been a viewer for a while, you know that I'm really into tiny little itty bitty bags. But I guess my mind has changed after having the baby because I do have to carry a few things with me when I'm on the go, even though tiny bags can still get around serving as a wallet. But I do think a handbag, a mini size handbag, still come in handy. At first, I wasn't sure how I feel about the blue color, but in person, now that I'm looking at it, especially under like a little bit of light, this blue iridescent caviar just comes across very whimsical. It doesn't look like something that will rub off after a while, so it's really well made. And maybe Chanel changed their mind because after many price increases, they decided to increase the quality of their bags as well. So we shall see, and I might have to do a long-term review on this one because right now she's just as fresh as a fresh strawberry. So this bag features a lot of nice details. It's very simplistic in the design, as the only added feature to this is the adjustable strap. And I know people have been asking for adjustable length for the straps for a while because most of Chanel bags have fixed straps, but everybody who buy their handbags have different heights and different body build, so one size length of strap might not fit all. So in this style, they finally rolled out with an adjustable chain where you can literally change it from a crossbody all the way to a shoulder bag length. I'm just showing you guys what they look like on, and then maybe when you pull it you want to be a little bit careful because I do see some flakes coming out of it. Maybe it's from the metal or the wrap, but voila, if you want to make it short, this is as short as it goes. It's a really convenient size. Look, I'm just sitting here filming and I can wear this handbag. So the strap is definitely a plus. Well done, Chanel. And like I mentioned, this is the new size between the small classic flap and the mini size classic flap. I would say the two styles are very similar, however they are different because we know for the mini classic flaps, they do have a quite structured build on the bag overall, but this bag is soft yet sturdy. It does have a soft kind of base, but it's structured enough where you don't have to worry about it being flimsy or being stretched out of place. When you open the flap is a really nice and soft flap. It's not a structured one like the classic flaps, like the mini classics, but this one is really soft and it feels really nice and robust on hand as well. So I'm not worried about how the bag's gonna wear out. And the corners obviously are areas you have to be careful, but for the most part, if you care about your handbag, you do. If you don't care about your handbags, no matter how it's made, it's probably gonna wear off. On the inside, it has the new feature of the laser tag instead of the traditional authenticity card. So it's really interesting for me to see it because this is the first handbag maybe I have purchased after they roll out this new feature. And it's quite spacious in there. So this is a footage of me showing you guys what goes in there. This side will just be one big pocket. It's pretty spacious and really deep, as you guys can see. I'm going to put my phone in as a reference. So this is an iPhone 11 and it fits comfortably in this bag. At the same time, you can put multiple of other little belongings in there. And on the back side of the bag, there is a zipper pocket like usual because it's a Chanel thing and all of the other handbag thing. And this little pocket here, you can put maybe some cash or receipts. You know how it goes. If I were to flip it over and turn it over here, you can see now this very new feature, the Chanel Authenticity Badge, I would call it. I think it's a lasered piece in here. This is now how Chanel identifies and authenticates their handbags going forward. So in here you find this instead of the traditional black card, and then on the bottom is the back side of the turn lock over here. So that pretty much sums up the inside of the handbag. And now let's look at the sides. The sides are not as boring as you think it is, as this is a new feature that they have added to the launch of this new mini size flap. And you cannot move it, but it's a little metal piece over here. You would think the other side has the same piece, but guess what? It does not. It has a little hardware, which is the little hook here instead, that gives you the freedom to adjust the strap length by using this button here. And it says Chanel all over, of course. And this is the other side. This is the front side. So basically you can use this adjuster to loosen the strap or shorten it. And this is one of the newest features that's been introduced on this bag. So I figure you guys should know. And the bottom of the bag is pretty straightforward. There's no feet, but it's a structured bottom where you can sit pretty neatly on the table. So that pretty much features all of the little details on this bag. What do you guys think? I have an iPhone 11 which goes in there perfectly, and on top of that you can probably put a couple of compacts. I'm just putting this in relation because if you like to carry personal belongings with you, a compact is a must-have, right? So you can put a couple of compacts, you can put maybe another phone in there, keys. It just fits a lot more things than some of the other bags that I own. So I do think it's a really good purchase decision that I made here. And the details are a plus as well, as on both sides there are two different hardwares. It's not just like a lazy, let's get both sides to look the same. On one side it has this cute little CC button here that holds one end of the strap, and the other side is just a hook where you can literally roll the chains in and out to adjust to the perfect length that fits you. So overall, I do think it's a really nice bag, and it's probably my first iridescent caviar that I got. And I believe this particular style comes in black, blue, pink and also green. So this season is the debut of this adjustable chain mini flaps, and I will say this bag is probably going to become one of the staples, and I really like it. Now let me show you guys what it looks like on and how you can use the strap and adjust it to different lengths. What do you guys think? This is one of the bags that I've been most excited about when I did the walkthrough, and I have another piece that's coming. Hopefully it's coming, because you guys know I haven't had time to really step out and shop. I'm really happy my SA came through and helped me arrange everything so I can also show you guys a review on this bag. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.